Hi, it's Dabs here and welcome to CF Media. I've got a very quick question for you. Have you ever wondered if copywriting and content writing are the same thing? You might hear a lot of people use this word content writing, copywriting, and you don't even know what's the difference. Most times you assume they're even the same thing. Well, you're not alone. A lot of people, even businesses, mix them up. But here's the truth. While they both use words, maybe even similar words, they actually play different roles. I want you to think of it this way. If content writing is like being a teacher, informing, guiding, building trust, then copywriting is like being a salesperson that involves persuading, motivating, and also closing the deal. In this video, I'm going to break this down in the simplest way possible. We'll cover what each means, their key differences, real-world examples, common mistakes, and most importantly, how you can use them together to get better results, whether you're building a brand, selling a product, or you're just trying to connect with your audience. So without further ado, let's dive in. Copywriting is all about persuasion. It's writing with the goal of getting someone to take an action. That action could be clicking a button, buying a product, signing up on a newsletter. It could even be as simple as just downloading an ebook. Think about the last time that you saw a Facebook ad that said something like limited offer, grab yours before it's gone. That's copywriting in action. It's always very short, it's punchy and emotional. Copywriting doesn't waste time. It knows you have only a few seconds, so it tries to eat your feelings and your desires right away. Emphasis there on feelings and desire. As a matter of fact, I believe that if it doesn't have the ability to touch your emotions, then it's not a copy. You will find copywriting everywhere, on sales pages, on ad campaigns, on email subject line, product description, even the little buy now button you see online, everywhere online, buy now, buy now. All of these are examples of copywriting. So it's not really about telling the whole story, it's about making you want to act right now. Now, on the other hand, content writing is more like a long conversation. It's not trying to get you to buy something immediately. Instead, it's focusing on educating, entertaining, or building trust with the reader. A blog post like 10 tips for better sleep or an article on how to save for your first home, that's content writing. It's usually longer, more detailed, and it gives you real value. So content writing is also heavily tied to SEO or search engine optimization, if you want to call it that. In other words, it helps people find you on Google. That's why businesses invest in blogs, guides, and white papers. They are not necessarily selling you something right there, but they are trying to build a relationship with you. Over time, that leads to sales. So if copywriting is the closer in sales, then content writing is the warm handshake that get the relationship started in the first place. So now let's put them side by side. First one is purpose. Copywriting basically is to help you get action. Content writing is to help you build awareness and to build trust. The second one is tone and style. Copy is usually short, is emotional, and it is urgent, while content, on the other hand, is longer, is relaxed, and it is informative. So now let's look at the third one, which is timing. Copy is about the now. Content is about the long-term game. The next one is metrics. Copy is measured by conversion. Did they click? Did they buy? Or did they sign up on your website? While content is measured by engagement. Did people read? Did they share? Did they stay on the page? Those are the questions that you ask to measure your content strategy. So basically, just think of them like two sides of the same coin. One attracts people to you, and the other convince them to take the next step. Now, here is where things get interesting. Sometimes the line between copywriting and content writing gets blurry. For example, you might be reading a blog post that's super helpful, but at the end it says, by the way, if you like a free trial of our tool, click here. Now, that content mixed with copy. Smart business do this all the time. They educate first, then they slide in a call to action when the time is right. So now, when should you use copywriting and when should you use content writing? If you're running an ad campaign, writing a sales email, or designing a landing page, you need copywriting. If you're building a blog, creating an ultimate guide, or writing a LinkedIn article, you need content writing. Think of your customer's journey like a funnel. At the top, you need content writing to attract people and build trust. And at the bottom, you need copywriting to convert that trust into action. Both are necessary. Without content, your audience may never find you. Without copy, your audience may never buy from you. Okay, so if you're a writer, here is what's cool. You can choose which direction to go, or you can even do both. Copywriters usually need strong persuasion skills, a good understanding of human psychology, and the ability to write concisely. Content writers, on the other hand, often need research skills, SEO knowledge, and the patience to create long-form content that's clear and that's engaging. The truth is, both can be great careers, and honestly, learning a bit of both make you more valuable, whether you're freelancing or you're working for a company. A big misconception is thinking copywriting is always salesy. That's not true. Good copywriting doesn't feel pushy. It feels natural. It feels more like a friendly nudge. So here's another mistake. Businesses publish a lot of content but forget to include any copy. They educate, but never ask for action. That's like baking a cake and never serving it. On the flip side, some go too hard on copy. Buy now, without building trust first, and that usually pushes people away. The best results always come from balancing the two. Always. Imagine you're a fitness coach. A blog post titled 5 Common Mistakes People Make at the Gym. That's content writing. It gives value, build trust. But at the end, a line like, want a professional training plan? Sign up for my 7-day free trial here. That's copywriting. You see how they work together? Content draws people in, copy turns them into a client. So here's the magic formula. Start with content writing to attract and to educate. Layer in copywriting at strategic moments like CTAs, ad, and sales page. Together, they create full marketing engine that build relationships and drive results. Copywriting, like I said earlier, is persuasive and is action driven. Content writing is informative and relationship driven. In a nutshell, I can say copy is for conversion and content is for trust and visibility. And when you combine both of them together, that's when your business or brand really grow. And that's it for this video. If these have helped clear things up for you, hit that like button and let me know in the comments, Do you see yourself as more of a copywriter or a content writer, or maybe a bit of both? I'll be super excited to hear that from you. And thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. And until then, take care of yourself.